It's equipped with a powerful V-twin cylinder engine that delivers greater torque, improved sound quality, and lower vibration. It's engineered with Ready Start technology, providing a car-like and choke-free start. The deep deck houses a 42 edge cutting system that delivers a superior cut, while the smooth underside has a washport to remove grass buildup. This mighty lawn tractor can handle tough mowing, mulching, hauling, and bagging tasks easily. The solid 11-inch one-piece frame is made of 12-gauge steel with rails for additional strength. The tractor's fully welded front axle is made of sturdy cast iron, while the fade, rust, and dent-resistant hood use a composite material. The new and ergonomic design of this compact riding lawn tractor offers a wider and more comfortable operator station. Its redesigned lift lever lowers and raises the mower deck with ease, allowing 1 inch to up to 4 inches in height increments. It comes with a high back seat that's adjustable for up to 10 positions and allows a 5.5-inch backward or forward angle for a perfect fit. The hydrostatic transmission system and side-by-side foot pedals enhance its capacity to change speed and direction seamlessly. It features a cruise control option that sustains the speed when mowing bigger areas. Another great feature of the John Deere EZ is the 30-second oil change system, which eliminates the traditional draining of oil from the engine. The EZ change filter removes harmful contaminants and promotes better oil flow capacity. It's covered with a 120-hour or 2-year warranty, whichever happens first. So how would you rate our first 2 riding lawn tractors? If you've already had any experience with either of them, please share your thoughts in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, and it'll give you notifications when our newest video is uploaded.